Hey guys, it's Marlene here, and today in Savory Thoughts Kitchen, we'll be making this very easy tzatziki sauce. Let's get started. Guys, this is very easy to make. You will need fresh cucumbers, and depending on the amount that you're making, half will be sufficient. So go ahead and take out your cucumber and start peeling it. To peel your cucumbers, you can use a paring knife or you can use a vegetable peeler. Either or would work. Once you're done peeling your cucumber, go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces. Now for this also, you can use a grater if you want the chunkiness from the cucumbers, or you can use a food processor like we are doing here to go ahead and help speed up the process. But either method will work just fine. Just be sure to grind it instead of pin it to a smooth texture because you don't want it to be watery. Now, as you can see, it still has some graininess to it, and that's exactly what you want. Again, if you want it to have more of a refined texture, go ahead and use a grater instead. Next, go ahead and use a cheesecloth or a mesh cloth to strain the water. Now, I definitely would recommend that you take the liquid, the cucumber juice, and set it aside and blend it with carrot. It makes an absolute delicious drink, which we will be sharing later on in the future on this channel as well as on the site. So go ahead and take the cucumbers and transfer it to a bowl. Now we're going to add in Greek yogurt. You can use full fat Greek yogurt or you can use non-fat Greek yogurt. For this we are using the non-fat Greek yogurt, but whichever one you prefer is completely fine. Once you're done, go ahead and add in garlic powder. You can also use minced garlic for this if you prefer. And we're also adding in dill. Now you can use fresh dill or you can use dry dill. If you are using fresh dill, you need about 2 tablespoons. But if you're using dry dill, I like to add in about 1 tablespoon because it gives it that rich, bold, but also refreshing flavor. And don't forget to add in the lemon juice as it will make the freshness and the flavor of the dill pop. And season it also with salt to taste. Once you're done, mix everything together and set it aside. And you can serve this with pita bread, freshly cut cucumbers, and you can also serve it with carrot sticks. I like to toast my pita bread. Guys, in this Haitian kitchen, we're all about mixing it up. We would also love for you guys to let us know how you like this recipe. It's on the website at savorythoughts.com. And if you're serving it with cucumbers, go ahead and slice the cucumbers to your desired thickness. Once you are done cutting your cucumbers, do the same thing with your carrots. Once you're done peeling the carrots, go ahead and cut it in half. Now this will help you cut the carrots into the sticks without any issues. And guys, the full measurement along with step-by-step guide on how to make this recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. To plate and serve, go ahead and add in your carrots. You're done adding in your carrots, go ahead and add in your cucumbers. And once you are done adding in your cucumbers, go ahead and add in your toasted pita bread. And once you're done adding in your toasted pita bread, go ahead and add in the tzatziki sauce. And that's it, guys. This is perfect for Easter. It's perfect for any holiday, and it makes a great conversation dish. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Cheers.